Okay, welcome back guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a mini Cooper. So I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil level. Because this model don't have the dipstick, so we have to check the oil level by using the video stick. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First you start the engine. Okay, here you can see the infotainment system. So go to the vehicle. Okay, here you can see this is the control button. So here you can see here vehicle status. Okay, go there. Then you can see here you can check the tire, then the engine oil level, and check control and service requirement. Here go to the engine oil. Then here you can see measure engine oil level. Then push OK. So they say to need to drive approximately 30 minutes. So they start measurement. Okay, now it's starting the measuring. So wait till this process done. Then you can see the engine oil. Okay, now you can see the engine oil level. This is the max point, this is the minimum point. This car a little bit low, so I'm going to fill up the balance. Then the oil level is okay. Okay. Today video finish. See you next video. So subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.